Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change alarm sound on iPhone. So let's jump right in. First, open the clock app. Tap on the plus icon from the top right corner of your screen to set yourself a new alarm. Here, use the sliders to adjust the time for your alarm. Now, tap on the sound option. You can scroll up and down and select the alarm that you like. Once you are done, tap on the back button. Finally, tap on the save button from the top right corner of your screen and save the changes. And this is how you can change alarm sound on iPhone. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.